Hi, and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name is Darren Yee, and today we're going to be talking about some of my gear. I'm going to show you how to pack it in your backpack. So stay tuned. So the first thing we start off is I'd like to talk about how you keep things dry inside your backpack. What I like to use is this bag here. So it's a clear bag. It has a kind of opening here that you can snap close, as well as a valve right here. So I will show you later on things that I want to keep dry in there, such as my sleeping bag and my clothes, maybe my puffy jacket, my hammock. I'll show you how to pack it into here. I will also show you what it looks like inside my backpack. So let's get started on how you pack the backpack. Alright, the first thing what we want to do, we're going to take our waterproof bag. I'm going to stick it inside the backpack. And how I pack things is I want to stick the stuff at the bottom that I'm going to pull out last. So that will include my Outdoor Vitals 10-degree quilt. So I'm going to stuff that down in the bag first. The way I situate it down in the bottom is this way, so that we can press it down. The next thing I'm going to put in is my pillow. This is all the clothes I'm going to be taking. This includes an extra shirt, a hoodie, extra socks, and my sleep pants. Next two things I'll be putting is my puffy jacket, my sleep mat, and last I will be putting in my hammock. We have everything inside. You're going to seal it up. This makes it airtight. Then we are going to find the nozzle inside, unscrew it, and press all the air out. Now what this does is takes all the air out and you're able to compress it down. So this is a 48-liter pack, but I can compress it down, as you can see, that it leaves a lot more room in here in your pack to throw other stuff in. So the next thing I'm going to put in is my ditty bag. This holds little odds and ends. So this holds my first aid kit, some bandages, a roll of Lugo tape, extra lighter. This holds my little electronics bag. It has my headlamp, charging cables, earplugs, extra lighting. It also holds my toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and a couple Q-tips. Stick that on top. You can take the cap, reseal it. You got the ditty bag in there. Then I got an extra lantern here, which also doubles as a charger. This is a 10,000 milliamp battery, so it's a good charging device, as well as a beanie and a buff, which I can have quick access to if I need to. Stick that in there. This is a food bag. I will go over food in another video, but this holds a pretty good capacity, maybe about 10 liters. So I'll throw that on top. So that about does it about the stuff that goes inside the pack. So I will cinch that up. See, there's plenty of room. Now normally this pack, this is an Exos Osprey 48 liter. It comes with a lid with about 2 zipper compartments, but I've left it off to shave a little bit of weight. But what I will do is I will stick this reflective mat, which I'm going to be using, and stick it right here on top. Flip it down, like so. Next up, I have my cook kit. This has my propane, my stove, my extra cup, microfiber cloth, and a lighter. I will put this down on the side here. On the other side, I will put my REI Flex Light chair. So that will go down on the other side. Okay. Also on this outside pouch, I will put my steaks. I have about 8 aluminum steaks here. And this front pouch, it's got this little stretchy pouch here. You can fit a lot of other stuff in here. I put my pack cover in case it rains. This is a rain kilt, which I haven't used in the rain yet, but I can also use as a ground cloth. Stick it underneath me if I have to go to the ground. And my camp shoes. So these are some lightweight shoes that you can find made out of foam. You can bring some flip-flops, or I've seen people use Crocs. Stick that in there. Now down here at the bottom, this is where I'm going to put my tarp. This will be my shelter. You just strap it on the bottom here. Cinch it up tight, like so. And I am also bringing a carbon fiber trekking pole. You can pick up a pair of these at Costco for about 35 to 40. You can get a pair. So this is not only to help you stability on the trail, but also it's part of my shelter. It helps keep my tarp up. So I'm going to stick that right over here on the side. There's a little loop here at the bottom. There. All I have left is a small towel, my tripod selfie stick. Those will go in the front. Tripod right here. Put it in this pocket. And my Gatorade bottle will stick right here. And on a towel, I will stick over here on the side with my chair. So all this stuff on the outside, I keep out here because I want easy access to it, like my tarp. So this is the first thing that I'm going to set up. Also, if it's wet, you want to keep it on the outside to allow it to dry. Camp shoes, if they get dirty, you want them out on the outside. If you bring a rain jacket, you also want it on the outside for easy. So that's my loadout. How I load my backpack. A couple things that I forgot to mention was the front of my backpack. So I always keep a little bottle of hand sanitizer on one of the loops. Here's my little weather indicator. It's always good to have a redundancy of things like a compass. I use my phone to tell me the temperature, the weather. I also use my Garmin. It'll give me directions, GPS, weather reports. But also I attached a little pocket up front. This little mesh part holds some chapstick and some sunblock. I keep my phone and my tripod in this. I can also throw a bar or some kind of snack in the front. This holds my hydration. I used to use bladders a lot, but now it was difficult to pull it in and out to fill up water, filter water and stuff like that. This is easy access, it's right here on the strap. I like the wide opening of the Gatorade bottles as well as the sports cap. This pack doesn't have hip belt pockets, but I can always strap my ditty bag to the front to carry some of either my camera gear or snacks, my headlamp, those kind of things. So I want to thank you for watching YeeFit Adventures. My name's Darren Yee again. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below under the description. And I just want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.